Ooh, good morning from the Philippines. Roughly 7:30 in the morning. I'm going to show you exactly what it's like to have the perfect start to the day. How are you feeling?
Calm.
Nice. Good. Look at this, boys. Look at this. Look at him go. I love it. Hey, nice. Oh my god, there's a guy in the tree. Hey, bro. Look at that. That people workout time. Bloody hell. Didn't know I was working out with Spider-Man. What are you trying to do? This is called tropical workouts, improvised version. You got a coconut between your legs. Look at this for a shot. This is perfect. How much does it weigh, the coconut, do you reckon?
Like 50 kg.
50 kg. God, you're doing well then. I'm working out of iron, man. Oh, sweet. Bro. Oh, it's all mouldy. Fuck this, while we walking. Welcome to the Philippines. Workout complete. Get me in a water stand. That's what I'm talking about there, Chelsea. Thank you, sir. Oh no, you should have seen it like last night.
I was about to say that all the receptionists.
Oh yeah, they
took
a photo with us.
Up and wanted a picture.
Yeah, they saw us filming as we're on the way out. They're like, oh, you make videos, you're a content creator. We're like, yeah.
Now checking into the flight, which is in 2 hours, under 2 hours. We're going to mention the coffee.
Oh yeah.
Backwards here. So they've just given us
hot water.
Yeah, and when I first got this, I was bugging out. I was like, well, why? This is not coffee. But you put this in yourself, so you got the sachets,
Just reverse order.
the milk, and you got sugar.
Milk does not belong in coffee. Ben has just gone from a respectable 5 out of 10 man down to a 2. Panic stations.
Now at Cebu Airport, managed to just get our bags. It's now 1 o'clock and our flight is in half an hour. We're literally got to Pulse to wherever we've got to be. Yeah, squeaky bum time.
Come to any harm with your antics, but it does sound like you had a very good night on this yacht. So, Filipino girls.
Nah,
Happy travellers. Hey. Oh, I love your dad. That's brilliant. That's fucking brilliant. Weather update. Oh my god.
Who's that girl in a line with a big behind us looking all tempting? If
all aboard again.
Yeah. Squeeze in this.
Look at this. Up, don't move up. Genuinely.
I can't, otherwise my arse is out.
Just a road, chilling. Literally no room.
Yeah.
No room.
at this age, how are them man still hating? My young boy in a different country, but he ain't never been on vacation.
This is the accom we've got for the night. We've just randomly picked up in Surigao City. We're going to get the ferry in the morning at 6 AM is when it leaves, so we've got to be there early, but we didn't really want to venture outside because, well, put it this way, it's not a very touristy area and we're very outnumbered here. So we're actually just patterning the accom right now.
We've had a night in, right? We're just using this little period to sort stuff out, relax, and just chill out, catch up on sleep, and have our pizza in the hotel room. Ben's got a Hawaiian, and I've got a good old pepper. I don't know why they put it around the edge. That's weird, bro. And we've also got these as well. I don't know what they are. Oh, mate, they're banging. Try one of them. That's what we need.
I've got a week on another island. Georgia's got 4 nights, so we're gonna plan it out. But for the meantime, try this.
I fall straight into your arms like a drunk who's been on it all morning, and the sun's up and my head's full.
We're currently sitting in the trenches on the ferry. I'm gonna zoom into that. That looks ghetto behind you.
Yeah. Choppy waters.
Swat names and I thought maybe.
Just arrived to Surigao Island. We're now gonna head to General Luna, which is the most popular place of the island. It's where the famous Cloud9 is. That's the famous surfing spot. Don't know what the accom's going to be like. We booked it last night. Well, George booked it, so I hadn't even seen pictures of it.
It's peak. What's the dog's name? Oh, that is the name.
So we've just checked into the guest house.
Ben's first ever.
Yeah, the difference of a guest house is basically you're living with a family.
Local family.
We've got this for the next 3 nights. Very basic, but all we need, some hangers, a little bit of a desk, and then the bathroom with the shower literally directly on top of the toilet. They've given us these little like amenity kits.
Mini toothpaste.
Yeah.
Ooh. First meal in Shargow. Come to a local recommendation.
Free water.
Thank you, sir. Pretty much select everything you want up there. Come over. Lovely. Think of frozen. Welcome to Dad Law with Ben. We are currently in the middle of nowhere. Genuinely.
There's potentially a guy just literally cut off completely from everything, just chilling in this. What a view this man has.
Go on a 10 to 15 minute drive on a moped on the road following around the coast, and here we are. We do have to move though, because
Rain falls quick. As soon as it starts raining, it rains, it pours.
rain's coming quick. This is what the situation looks like on the bike. Fuck, this is bad. This is bad. We are in the middle of nowhere. This is so sick. On black coffee, maple syrup, bacon, pancake. Looking out onto this little docking area, and I've got the music on. We can connect to Wi-Fi, but we're not in a rush because we're just taking it all in. Only Con is his dog. I'm gonna do him in a minute. I'm gonna do him in.